Hey there, I'm Samriddhi Gupta, a final year computer science student at Bharati Vidyapeeth, Pune. I'm currently working as a backend developer at Local Street Retail Tech, which is a startup and a full time role. My tech stack includes full stack, which is MERN stack, along with AI. And my interests include attending tech events, meetups, which is organized by some of the renowned communities like GDG, WTM, CNCG, etc. And I love participating in hackathons. Get my hands dirty over those 24 hours deadline sessions. Yeah. So this was my brief intro. Let's directly jump off to the three major questions of this video. First was which asked that why do I consider myself as a good fit for WTM ambassador? So answering this would be that I feel that as a girl in tech, I understand and know the importance of being educated and technically sound in order to create an impact in this world and lead a tech community. Obviously, my experience would speak louder than my words. In my third year, I was a tech lead at my college in GDGOC community, which is Google Developer Groups on campus. I mentored more than 50 plus students and organized 10 events, including hands on and normal tech discussion events. With this, I am also a MetaMask community ambassador, which is a blockchain community. So I haven't confined myself only to specific tech stacks. I have spread out my hands to reach out each every tech stack here. So yes, I am leading this MetaMask community as an ambassador, but I've also organized events, hands-on sessions as well. I am currently a facilitator of Google Cloud Arcade program where I have been leading more than 600 people uh, and mentoring them, guiding them. I've created a community of more than 600 people. So, yes, I have the experience to lead people, to collaborate with them, to make people together. So I feel that if I become a WTM ambassador, and why do I believe that I am a good fit for WTM ambassador? Yes, because I have experience. I know what leadership means. Now, directly coming on to the second question, which says, "What can I contribute to this community?" So, in order to answer this, there is one thing which I have noticed. I feel tech opportunities exist for everyone. But somewhere I feel that girls take a one step back or hold back, not just because they don't know anything or they can't do anything. It's because of self doubt, it's because of less confidence, because there is no exposure. So, what I actually want to contribute to this community is to create such engaging sessions, not only the technical sessions, but also some social sessions, some networking sessions where actually girls feel that they are in such a community where they can share anything, where they can share their technical knowledge, where they can actually let other girl grow. So a community where girls actually come together and leverage themselves, leverage others. I would generally want to contribute in this way. Similar to how I have been attending these events conducted by WTM, like at the occasion of International Women's Day. They actually made the session so much fruitful that they organize technical sessions also, they organize self-development sessions also, and the networking sessions, so that girls actually feel that they are within a community where they can grow technically, they can grow socially, and they can network with like-minded people. So I would like to organize such events, such sessions, so that I can leverage my community, I can take people together. That's what leadership means, and that's what I would like to contribute to make everything fruitful, everything productive by conducting these sessions. Now, moving on to the third question, which says about what would I like to gain from this? So, I would say that what am I excited of is to work with like minded people. That's what I would actually like to gain. To work with like minded people, to actually gain their experiences, gain what they have learned, and also explore myself. I feel that I'm confident in speaking, I am technically sound, but there are some sectors which I haven't explored in me. So through this, I would always like to explore much more skills, becoming a leader. what more skills I would like to unlock in me, working with like-minded people and leveraging the whole community. So this was it. These were the three questions I addressed, and I would genuinely like to lead this community because I feel that I'm a good fit for this role. So yeah, thank you so much.